Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are doing the guess the Christmassy sweets that are found in Goa, and here I am with my manager. Okay, she's debuting on my channel right now, but today we are going to target her and let her guess the sweet, the Christmas item that we find that good in sweets. So that's why she's the main target of this channel. So we'll be doing a blindfold challenge. I'll be tying this on her eyes. Okay, she has to guess the item, whatever there is there on the plate, and I've picked 4 of them. There are very different from each other, and I think so she has not tasted even one of them. It will be a surprise for her also. She has to tell the correct name of the item. She has to tell 2 of the ingredients of the items, and there's a very big twist in the game. And I've also suggested that to her that we are going to use the 4 senses: touch, taste, smell and hear. So all these 4 items are going to have one of these senses as an advantage. If she uses it in a very good way, then it's better for her. I think it's time to get started. Let's go. I shall go.
मुझे कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा माँ.
तेरे को कुछ दिखना भी नहीं चाहिए. Can you see?
No.
What is this number?
What number?
I'm pointing.
4.
What is this number?
2.
What is this number?
अरे काय दिसते? Really, I can't see anything.
Okay, so we have the first item right here. I'm sure everyone will know about this item. It's a very famous one. Okay. So, you have the first item in front of you. Okay, for this item, we are going to use the smell sense. Okay, you have to smell it
Okay.
and guess the food item. If you tell it in one second, if you can guess it correct, then you have to go ahead with it and tell me at least 2 ingredients.
Like I have to eat it.
You can't eat
After-
it.
and then?
No. You have to smell it
Okay.
and then tell me
No.
any 2 ingredients.
Ayo.
Okay. Ayo. Go ahead.
We go.
Okay. You plate game. Smell.
बात. No. वही बात अच्छी. No. दोष.
Correct.
दोष.
Okay. Any 2 ingredients.
What is your jaggery
Correct.
and what else? Coconut.
Freshly grated coconut.
Oh,
But it's correct. I'll give her the point. It's correct. The first one done right.
Yes.
This is probably dosh. It's one of the famous Christmassy food items, especially, but we also make it during weddings. I'm sure everyone enjoys to have it with a cup of tea. So yes. Okay. So we have this second item. Okay. I'm sure everyone has seen this item, but she hasn't. I am damn sure about it. This is very difficult for her to guess. But for this item, you're using the sense of ear. Okay? You're going to use it to hear.
Okay.
Okay? That means you have to break this and guess. What item is it?
Okay.
If you can
How
do
will I
it,
guess it with the sound?
it is very easy, but this is a Christmas food, and
That is the food.
see, this is a Christmas food, and it is especially made during Christmas season. You have to name the item. If you are not able to use your hearing sense, you can touch it
That means I'm deaf.
and feel it and see if you can guess it. Okay, that's for the second chance if you can't. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Here's a pit.
Where? Okay. I have to break it,
You
right?
have to break it.
Oh. I came to know what it is, but I don't know what it is called. I chokri. Is it a chokri?
It's not a Goan thing. Chokri is not a Goan thing.
Then, but it is something like chokri on, round, so that flower thing.
Yeah.
Something like that. I know, see, but I don't know the name. Sorry. कितनी मिठाई?
How disappointing are you? You don't know the
No,
name
really.
of these? What, ma'am?
कितको नाम? मकोरे नाम बोल.
These are known as rose cookies.
Huh?
Yeah.
But rose cookies go now.
Yeah. They're called as that. I think
Oh.
it's based in Portuguese. I think I found it.
Okay, I know the name. It's rose cookies.
But they're very sweet, and I think it's a great breakfast
Give me
idea.
also to taste. I never tried it before.
Even I never tried it.
Mm.
I just you can have it with chocolate sauce or something, syrup or something, no?
Yeah.
Good idea.
But, it's
But
very
she
sweet.
failed in this. I knew it from the beginning. But it's a very great idea. These taste really good. Now this is the third item. If anyone know what it is, then comment down below what it is without watching the video. But okay, take this one. Smells nice. But for this
Sense
item,
do I have to use now?
yeah, you have to use the touch
Okay.
sense. You only get to touch this and feel it. Wait and guess what it is. If you are not able to do it, then I will give you a next sense. That is the tasting one, okay?
Okay.
And name two ingredients if you are correct. This is the plate.
Where?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hold it.
Dodol? Dodol?
No.
No?
I told you it is not what you think.
Big?
It is. No.
Are jelly?
No, jelly is not a.
Yeah, it is
This
not
is food.
okay. Then what it
I
is?
told her it's.
Arey.
I don't think so. She has ever eaten this.
Yeah, maybe. Arey.
Do you want to taste it?
Yeah.
Then will it be you be able to name any two ingredients out of it?
I can try.
Okay, go
Let's
ahead.
see. Is it made of imli?
No.
Then what?
Name two ingredients out of it.
Okay, there's sugar in it, obviously.
Yeah, that is not the ingredient.
Then what?
Tell a main ingredient, no? What do you taste it like? I can give you a hint if you wish.
Imli lagta hai.
Okay, there's a fruit that it's made out of. And we have that fruit in our gardens. Like everyone has it.
Chiku?
No. Chiku we don't found in our garden.
Banana?
No.
Mango?
We used to climb on that tree.
Ah! Kitgo them?
Kite.
Goa?
Correct. It's made out of that.
Mm.
But you say it's something in Konkani.
Kit mitai? Pear!
No. Yeah, the name is related to it.
But it's tasty. I don't know the name.
It's known as Goan Perad.
Huh?
Yeah.
Perad.
It is
Very
made
tasty.
out of guava.
I want more.
Okay. It is made out of guava and is it tasty?
It's
never
very
tried
tasty. But smart.
We have come to the end and it's the fourth item and this is the item. If anyone knows the name, comment down below. So for this item, we are going to use your last sense, and that is the tasting sense. Okay, you are going to taste this. If you are unable to tell me even the name, because I'm sure you won't be able to tell me the correct name of it, but you can tell the ingredients. There are two main ingredients that have been put into this food item. You can tell that. Okay, this is the plate. Go ahead. Okay, this is the dish. Okay, sapal ha to tissue. So
This?
yeah. You are supposed to eat it.
I don't know the name again.
I know.
But
I know that you don't know. You have to tell me that.
okay. Ingredient.
Yeah.
I have to tell. No, okay.
There is one main
Again?
ingredient that I want to know from you.
Yeah, coconut.
Coconut.
And what else?
It's not coconut. It's a speciality of coconut.
Yeah,
There is some.
cutlets or
No. No.
Hobre.
No. Go ahead with your words.
Then what?
It is something with coconut, but you want to go deep into it. There is a very special dish. Very special.
Chevio.
No. What do you taste more? Do you taste only coconut in this? I have not tried
Yeah.
it also. No.
Wait.
No. Try eating the single strand. Hold this. Have.
And powdery.
Yeah, but taste it. No, I want a. That is sugar on top of it. That is
Then what do you want me to taste?
the main ingredient.
That is that only the coconut.
No, it's not coconut.
Then what?
It's a special type of coconut. You need to add something to it. Then it is the coconut.
I'm blank.
It's a tender coconut.
What's the difference, by the way?
There is a lot of difference. There is a difference between tender coconut and coconut. You have to know about these things.
Sorry. But this is also like
Bola gada?
I haven't tried it before.
Even I haven't tried it.
I've seen it, but never tried.
I've never seen it also.
White color.
While I was doing my research for this video, I came across this.
I remember I've seen it in
And
Malva only. but-
yeah, I went in the market to get these things. And to tell you that they're really costly.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Wow.
And by the
Wow.
coming season for Christmas, they'll be on the peak, I guess. Because when I bought these things, it was like, oh my god, so much money for this.
Shit. I hope your video goes viral.
But they are very tasty. I'll tell you
Yeah,
that.
it is.
All the
It
sweets
is actually.
that I bought are very, very tasty.
I like this one and the other
The
one.
peras
Before
one.
this, yeah.
You can take that home.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
I'll be.
At least I get something.
You get a cookie set also. I've bought it enough. Yeah.
Gift?
Gift.
Oh God, I have to stop eating.
To get diabetes water. टिश्यू दे डालो और वो आनी है गाने गाने वाले हाँ एको
Good लगता अरे
पैरा दो
too good both pera and this one.
Okay. But we will end this video over here. We enjoyed making this video. I think it was a very fun video, and I especially called her up to fix an appointment with my manager just to film this video. She was not free, I had to get into the appointment section, guys.
Oh.
But thanks for watching and see you in my next one.
Bye.
Bye. In Goa, she's not that used to Goan sweets because she's diabetic. No, she's not. Cut. Are you?
No! Start! This is the first time I'm trying this.
Nice.
Did you make it?
No,
Then?
I just bought it from the market.
Oh, ready made. तू कंटेंट के लिए पैसे खर्च करते आणि अजून तर तू केला सगळे
तू पिसाला किती? You will be able to describe the ingredients only. I don't think so. You'll be able to describe.
तू डिफिकल्ट आळगो
किधर?
तू डिफिकल्ट
किधर?
I cannot try कर nothing.
See, it is not that you have tried
Tissue.
something. I feel like those are the items. Bibinka, dodol is like very common,
Yeah.
and people don't know about these items. That's why I put them. And
I thought you'll include those only.
I knew this was your weakness, so that's why I tried testing you
Shit.
only.
What else is new? Bolinas and all.
Yeah, Bolinas is, it's like everyone know about those things. No one know about these things. Okay. Okay.